Hello, I just wanted to produce a quick video to show you what you'd expect when you come back to Diamond Lake District 76, including how to enter the facility, what to expect your classroom to look like, and what kind of cleaning and materials we'll have available to all staff. So when you enter the building, obviously the mask will be required for all staff and students. Every person is going to check first at the temperature kiosk. So you can see, check your temperature, it'll let you know if your temperature is normal and you have admittance, and it'll also notify you if anybody's not wearing a mask in the district. So from there, you'll just enter the building and your classroom. And here we have a large selection of cleaning supplies that are going to be made available for staff and cleaning crew. So we have a large selection of washable face masks for staff and students with various sizes. We have a lot of face shields available as well, and then a large selection of hand wipes that will be available for each classroom teacher and be part of the back to school kit, including a lot of disposable face masks, hand sanitizer product, and then we have additional product that are going to be for electrostatic sprayer. So you can see we're well prepared for our back to school. The district's got two main products it's going to be using for disinfecting and sanitizing your room. We have our electrostatic sprayer that our night custodians will be using nightly. It's going to be using a product that's approved on the N list to combat the COVID-19 virus. Also, as a daily cleaner, we're going to be using this Ecolab multi-surface disinfectant that has a 30-second kill time and is also on the N list, proven to kill the COVID virus. These are going to be used throughout the day, cleaning all the high touch point areas that students will come in contact with, and every classroom will be thoroughly disinfected each night. The district is going to be providing a washable face mask for all staff upon return. They're going to be mandatory to wear throughout the day. However, you could also bring your own CDC recommended face mask from home should you choose to do so. Face shields are also going to be available to staff upon request. We have enough for every staff member as well. And also we're going to have a supply of antibacterial alcohol-based hand wipes so teachers can wipe down their desk each day, and that's part of our stock of cleaning supplies. Also, you can see what a typical classroom may look like. This room, for instance, can hold 9 students at socially acceptable distance. We have room for up to 14 students in many of our classrooms. But as you can see, we're going to be practicing safe social distance and being more than 6 feet apart throughout the day. When we describe high touch point areas, the teacher workroom is an example of that. It's going to have traffic in and out throughout the day. So what we're going to be having is an hourly rotation with our cleaning staff that will come in and out to clean and disinfect all this equipment. On top of that, we're also going to have hand wipes and hand sanitizer available in each of these spaces, so teachers can feel free to use it throughout the day as well. Once staff and students return, the district will also be hiring additional cleaning staff through citywide. There will be an additional day porter at each building whose sole responsibility will be to clean and disinfect throughout the day. So our district's goal is to provide the safest return for all staff and students.
As always, staff, the best preventative measures to mitigate risks are the 3 W's. Wear your mask, wash your hands, watch your distance, stay 6 feet apart from each other.